guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tolu Ojulewa. You're welcome on board, and if you subscribe, thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you're not subscribed, go right now, click that subscribe button and click that notification button and follow us on our Instagram page, Ojulewa Studio. So today I want to show you how you can tie your Gele Asiko. Gele Asiko means something trendy. And you know, for a lot of ladies, you want to stand out from the crowd, you want to look very simple, at the same time very classy. Like they say, less is more. So today I'm going to show you how you can tie your Gele Asiko on yourself. It's a DIY training. So when you're going out, you're going to step out like a pro, tie Gele like a pro. And you love my Gele. Yes, we have this available at Ojulewa on sale, shipping worldwide, any country. We're going to ship it right to your doorstep. We'll call this the Ayaba Gele. And for those that want to enroll today, we have online training on how to tie beautiful Gele styles for yourself, for people. Turn your talent into wealth. We have online training on how to make this Gele as well as how to do your makeup like a pro with Ojulewa. So guys, for you to enroll, send us a message or follow us on our Instagram page. It's on our website, online training. Right from the comfort of your home, you learn how to make beautiful Gele style, do your makeup like a pro. So let's go right into today's class. So the Gele Asiko. The rule for the Gele Asiko, you're going to divide your Gele into 70-30. So let me show you how to do your Gele Asiko all by yourself. Let me show you. So this is our ashoke. The ashoke, the measurement is normally 90. So you're going to take this is 3 hours now. You divide your Gele into 30 and 70. Can you see? One side is 70, that's one side is longer, the other side is shorter. So I'm going to start from the front. So just watch me. I'm going to put some pleats in front. Can you see? You can put like 2 to 3 pleats. So when you're going out to that party, you tie your Gele all by yourself like a pro. So I'm going to take it all the way to the back. Can you see my pleat? Make sure the pleat is well laid. Can you see the way I'm laying it? Make sure it's firm in front. So I'm taking it all the way to the back. Then I'm going to bring it back forward. So let me show you the back. That's the back of the Gele. Can you see? So I'm going to bring it back forward. So I'm going to turn it. Make sure it's very firm. So I'm going to bring, that's a shorter hand now. This is a longer hand. Can you see? And this is a shorter hand. So I'm going to bring this forward. Then I'm going to continue with my pleats. As I'm bringing it forward, so I'm going to make sure my pleat is well laid. So let's continue. Okay. So I've gotten that now. So I'm going to pleat it. So be picking your pleats. So just stay in front of a mirror and try this. By the time you practice this like 3 times to 4 times, you're going to get it. Gele is all about practicing. Practice make perfect. So you can tie Gele like a pro. And for you to learn more styles, just subscribe right now. You're going to see more beautiful styles. And for those that you want to learn professionally, we have online training. Right from the comfort of your home, you learn how to make beautiful Gele styles all by yourself. And also how you can tie Gele for people and make money. Turn your talent into wealth. So I'm going to start now with my fan. See, I'm going to, can you see the way I'm doing this? You're going to like straighten it out there. From this point, you start your pleat. You're going to slant your hands to one side. Can you see the way I'm slanting it? Then you now start creating your pleats. Like, can you see? I'm going to slant like this. Then I'll start creating my fan. You're tired of the regular pleated Gele, then this Gele is for you. So I'm going to take it all the way. Can you see? You want to take it inside there. Or for some people, this is what they do. They do like this. So it all depends on what you want. So you can take it all the way like this. Can you see? So you can tie this gele by yourself. You tie it like a pro. Can you see? Just take it in there. So that's it all. In less than 5 minutes, you're good to go. Your gele is ready. You tie your gele like a pro. So I'm going to use a pin now to hold it down there. Don't want it to loose. So I'm going to use a pin to secure it. And like I said, be careful when you are putting the pin. You don't want to hurt yourself in the process. So carefully. Then you're finishing. For me, when it comes to gele, the finishing is very important. I want to make sure my finishing is nice. And just like any other thing, your finishing is very, very key when it comes to your gele. So finish it very well. The rule for the gele again is 70-30. And use your ashoke to make this. You can also use your zego. You can use your zego, you can use your ashoke to tie your gele asiko. The gele asiko, some ladies, you know, they don't want the regular gele. They just want to look very unique. They want to stand out in that party. Then you try the gele asiko. The gele asiko is very easy to tie. Can you see it? Our gele asiko is ready. Yes, that's the gele asiko. So thank you so much for watching, and please share this video. Follow us on the Instagram page and other social media platforms, on Facebook, Ojulewa Studios. So can't wait to see you next time. Please click that notification button, and you know what, our online training is ongoing, so send us a message to enroll, be a pro. So guys, see you next time. Go right now and click that subscribe button. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.